Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to view the archive tasks on Clickup web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Clickup website by going to your browser and type app.clickup.com, and then you will be able to access to the website. Then you will need to log in with your account, and if you don't already have one, just create a new account by signing up with your email and adding your information. So now the first step that we are doing is going to the spaces to choose in a list where we are working. And basically I'm going here to this list, and here I have these tasks here that are existing in my list. And basically let's just archive these three tasks, and I'm going to click archive. And now we will need to view this archive list because they are invisible now. And to do so, you will need to go here next to the icon or the logo of ClickUp. Then you will find here the sidebar setting. By clicking on it, you will find a choice that is called show archive. By clicking on show archive, here you will find all the archived settings or all the archive tasks. And basically as you can see, those are the tasks that we have just archived, and now they are being viewed. As you can see, let's go back again into the same thing, and this is the archived task. Let's archive another one, and it will be still appearing because we have shown archived, and if I hide them, they will be hidden successfully. So basically this is the way to see or to view archived tasks on ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.